The UX is the least costly means to get a new Lexus in your driveway, and it fits into the jam-packed subcompact deluxe SUV sector. You'll make a few sacrifices for its relatively low beginning rate, as the UX is tiny compared to some of its competitors and doesn't have rather the exact same aesthetic presence as Lexus' bigger SUVs. Yet if you think about it as even more of a costs hatchback, the UX uses a lot of upscale attributes and gloss for the cash, and it is among the only designs in its course that features a hybrid powertrain. That suggests it uses great gas economic climate, and an upgrade for the 2025 model year means it's a lot more powerful than in the past, too. Four-wheel drive is optional, and there's additionally an offered handling plan with suspension upgrades to go along with the optional F Sport plan's aggressive-looking visual tweaks in and out. The brand new UX 300h replaces the previous UX 250h, and the bigger number on the badge indicates it has an extra powerful hybrid arrangement under the hood. Horsepower increases from 181 horsepower to 196 horsepower thanks to much more powerful electric motors, and there's a brand new lithium-ion battery pack too. Other updates include a larger readily available electronic scale cluster screen, enhancements to the driver assistance functions, and a recently available shade called Copper Crest. The UX 300h is offered just as a crossbreed, and its powertrain includes a 2.0-liter inline-four gasoline engine and two electrical motors that combine for 196 horsepower. While we haven't yet evaluated the UX 300h, we expect it to offer quicker acceleration than the previous UX 250h, which was sluggish. If you opt for four-wheel drive, there's an added electrical motor that powers the back wheels, and a continuously variable automatic transmission is basic across the board. The UX is nimble and maneuverable thanks to its tiny dimension, and it provides a surprisingly deluxe and quiet trip. The adaptive dampers readily available on the F Sporting Activity Handling model are a great add-on, supplying a series of adjustments to either soften or tighten the suspension depending upon what kind of driving you're doing. Although main EPA price quotes aren't yet readily available, Lexus states the 2025 UX 300h will certainly deliver 43 miles per gallon incorporated in front-wheel drive type and 41 miles per gallon incorporated with four-wheel drive. That's a small enhancement from the old version, which is a good bonus offer considering the brand new configuration likewise offers more pizzazz. When we obtain a possibility, we'll take the UX 300h on our 75 miles per hour highway gas economy route and upgrade this story with its real-world MPG. For additional information regarding the UX's gas economic climate, see the EPA's website.